Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today video is about chocolate chip cookies. It was invented by accident. The chocolate chip cookie is one of the most famous accidental inventions in culinary history. It was created in 1938 by Ruth Wakefield, who ran the Toll House Inn in Whitman, Massachusetts. The original recipe is still on the package. Ruth Wakefield made a deal with the Nestlé company. She gave them the right to her recipe and the Toll House name, and in return, they supplied her with all the chocolate she needed for life. It's the official state cookie of Massachusetts. The chocolate chip cookie's legacy is so powerful that it has been designated the official state cookie of Massachusetts, honoring its birthplace at the Toll House Inn. It was called the Toll House Cookie first. Before it was universally known as the chocolate chip cookie, it was called the Toll House Crunch Cookie. It played a role in World War II. During World War II, families across the US would bake Toll House cookies and send them to soldiers overseas. There's a scientific reason they taste so good. The perfect chocolate chip cookie is a masterpiece of food science. The Maillard reaction, the chemical between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives brown food its complex flavor. The chip was almost very different. Ruth Wakefield originally chopped up a bar of Nestlé's semi-sweet chocolate. However, Andrew Nestlé himself reportedly offered her a deal to develop a chocolate chip specifically for the cookie. It sparked the first ever paternity lawsuit for a food. In a bizarre legal case, the famous Amos chocolate chip cookie brand sued the Mother's Cookie Company in 1985, claiming that their new Chipster's cookie was an illegitimate imitation. The world's largest cookie weighed over 40,000 pounds. The record for the world's largest chocolate chip cookie was set in 2003 in Flat Rock, North Carolina. It weighed a staggering 40,000 pounds and had a diameter of over 101 feet. Ruth Graves Wakefield's legacy is the invention of the chocolate chip cookie, a treat that became a global staple thanks to her innovative partnership with Nestlé, which printed her recipe on their chocolate packaging. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.